Thank you for joining me here today. I want to talk to you about glass kilns. There are the smaller ones, of course, have restrictions. They have smaller shelves. In order to gain the best use of the space is my stainless steel casting molds are probably bar none the best. You can see that I've only got a little bit of a border all the way around, and so this is 304 stainless steel, and I just bend it and then I just put it together with stainless steel nuts and bolts. This one here is attached in the middle, and you can take it out so that I could have this size one here. But I put this together so that I could fire one like this and one like this. And the reason why I like firing those is I like making the sushi plates, which are very nice, elegant. And this one is fired right on the kiln shelf. But I'm going to show you some really, really nice ones of how I cast them in place on this. So, thank you for taking a look. This is 1/4 inch fiber board, and I can notch it out here so that it goes, because the center one here goes around and bends here. There's a difference, right? So I don't know if you can see it here, how this is notched to go around it. So now everything is nice and square in the corners. So I can take that a little bit further by adding fiber paper around first, and then putting my crushed glass or my glass pieces in to do my melt. I'm going to do a couple of these. I'm going to do these two. I might do, I don't know what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to do it, and you're just going to have to come back and check on it. I make a little dividers like this, which I just simply put in. And then what I do is I fill this part with maybe black glass and this one with white glass. Then I simply take this out and blend the two together. And I can add different colors, different stuff to it. So thank you very much for taking a look. If you have any questions, fire off a comment. Check out my shop page, and come back and see these two finish, because they're going to be beautiful. So thank you very much.